Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we're going to see how we can build our Maven project using Azure pipelines. So, like in the previous video, we have created our Maven project using VS Code. So, the same project now we are going to build it using the Azure pipelines and see how we can generate our jar files from there. So, first of all, I need to copy my this source code into my Azure Git repos. So, for that, like I'll create one means I have already created one this Java demo repos. So I'll just clone this repo into my one of the local folders. So for that I'll open git bash and just use some git commands like git clone. So just paste this URL git clone, and then your repos will be copied locally over here, and in the same folder I have my uh, demo project which I have created from VS Code. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this demo project into this Java demo repository, and then I'll push it. So I have copied, and now I'll just get into the folder that is my Java demo, and then I just use the git add and git commit to add my commits over there. Yeah, so it's git commit is done. So now I'll just do git push. That's all. So my code is pushed. So if I'll just get refresh it over there, so you can see after refresh, my demo project is now available in my Azure Git repo. So my source code and the pom.xml main and this app.java, everything is available. So now I need to build this code using the Azure pipelines. So now I'll just get into the pipelines and create new pipeline, select the repo, my Java demo repository I need to select. So see, the Azure has already sensed or figured it out that there is a Java or Java project, so I can build it using the Maven. So it will give you the option of building it or configure your pipeline directly from the Maven, or if you want, you can use the starter pipeline existing YAML as well. So here I'll just go ahead and use the existing Maven build. So I'll just click Maven build. So your pipeline will just get created, which is having like triggers, pools, and the task Maven task, which is required for it. So that's all. You just need to save this pipeline and run it. And if you want to see additional tasks, and also you can click on the show assistance and you can see or add or click on the setting buttons to see about the details whatever is added. So everything is like default. I haven't added anything extra over here. And if you scroll it down, you can see if you want to run the sonar cube analysis, those things also you can configure it in the same task. So I'll just don't go into that for now. For now our target is to build our pom.xml and create our jar file. So I'll just go ahead and yeah, and if you want to publish the artifact as well, so you just need to select search for the publish build artifact task, and by default if you'll see the it is publishing my artifact staging directory. So right now, like even after the build, I won't be having anything in my artifact staging directory because it is getting built into the pipeline workspace. So the path I need to update it, that instead of copying everything into the artifact staging directory, for now I'll go ahead and update it into the pipeline workspace. So if you don't know, you just see the uh, predefined variables, which is like build dot working directory. So I'll just search, see predefined variables, and if you will see in the predefined variables, this build.artifact staging directory is also a predefined variable. And this I can replace it with pipeline dot workspace directory, so that like I will be having everything published from there. So I'll go ahead, and if you see system dot default working directory is there, so I'll just copy this system dot default working directory. That is the local path where my build will happen. So I'll just replace this build.artifact staging directory from system.default working directory and add this task. So just add it. So yeah, it is added successfully. Now I just need to save and run. So it is creating my pipeline and the job is done. So now I just need to wait for my pipeline to execute. Yeah, my pipeline got started. So just wait. Yeah, here my Maven task got failed. I need to see why it got failed. So let's get back into the task. So why it is failed? Yeah, so pom.xml is not found. Okay, so actually you need to provide the complete path of your pom.xml. So I just go ahead and edit the pipeline and see. By default, it took the like if your pom.xml is directly added into the repo, so this will work. But in my case, I'll just duplicate it. And yeah, so see my pom.xml is under the demo folder, so I need to provide this demo folder path as well. So you can just click on this pom.xml, copy this demo slash pom.xml path, and click on the setting buttons and paste the complete path over here and add it again. So that is done. Is there any indentation error? Let's check it again. Let me copy paste. No, it is correct. There is nothing wrong. It is just giving some unnecessary volumes to validate it. Yeah, so pipeline is valid. So I can save and run my pipeline. So run this. Yeah, so now I just need to wait for job to get started. Yeah, so my job gets started. And now let's see if it is getting running successfully. Yeah, Maven task is running successfully. So if you can see, all the existing required dependencies are getting downloaded by Maven. And yeah, Maven got successful. So my build got successful using Maven. So if you scroll it down, you can see, and the pipeline is build artifact is also published. So if you click on this job, and here if you'll see, one artifact got published. So click on that one published task and see in the drop you get everything whatever is there, your source. And in the target folder you can see demo 1.0 snapshot.jar is published over there. So this is how you can build your Maven project using Azure pipelines and get your jar file published. So let me know if you have any queries in this, and if you are liking this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.